Vagina, ma'am.
Nikki.
Fallopian tube, ma'am.
Vanessa.
Ovary, ma'am.
Kenneth.
Cervix.
A. What are the different parts of the femur reproductive system?
The uterus, fallopian tube, vagina, ovary, and cervix, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Ovary, it is produced egg cell as well as female sex hormone. The female human has 2 ovaries. How the ovary works? Nikki.
Teacher, it produces egg cells as well as a female sex hormone.
Very good. Fallopian tube, this is lead the egg from the ovary to the uterus. Female human has also 2 fallopian tube, which is connected to ovary to the inside of uterus. What is the function of fallopian tube? Vanessa?
The function of fallopian tube is to lead the egg from the ovary to the uterus, ma'am.
Very good. Uterus, it is also called womb. The uterus is a hollow muscular organ located at the abdomen. Uterus has soft, smooth inner lining called uterine lining or endometrium, where we call locate the uterus. Kenneth.
We can locate the uterus at the lower abdomen, ma'am.
Very good. Cervix. It is located at the lower part of the uterus. It is a narrow opening between uterus and vagina. What is the narrow opening between uterus and vagina? Nikki.
The cervix, ma'am.
That's correct. Vagina. It is also called birth canal. It is a hollow muscular tube that extends from the cervix to the vagina, opening called vulva. Vagina is what we call IG.
Birth canal, teacher.
Very good. Do we need to take care of the female reproductive system? Vanessa?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Student, clap your hands to your classmates. Do you understand our lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have question and clarification?
None, teacher.
Okay, young scientists. In your respected group, collaborate with your group mate and identify level the different parts of the female reproductive system in the given picture in the Manila paper. Make an animal sound if you are done labeling the different parts. Whoever finish will yield the highest score of 10 and this group will get 5. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
teacher.
I give you 1 minute to answer